This is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical in Jackson, Tennessee, and I'm coming on the air this week to discuss our topic that we have this week. And this week we revisit a topic we discussed earlier in the year. And so what it talks about is those with headache and neck pain, that incorporating exercise with chiropractic manipulation yields the best long-term results in getting rid of your pain and increasing function. And so one thing that this topic dives into is what home care exercises can we do to further incorporate the progression and keep you healthy at home and get better results. And so I want to demonstrate two very effective stretches that we can do, and then also one very critical exercise that can help get our muscular balance, because what we see is a loss of our posture, abnormal posture, and then a loss of that muscular balance. And so what happens is, for us that we're sitting more and we have desk jobs, we tend to lean our heads forward, and then we start stressing all these muscles in our upper back, and so that gets tight. So we want to stretch those out. But then what also happens is we underutilize these muscles in the front of our neck, which are called our deep neck stabilizers. And so what happens is this gets tight and on the front gets weak, and so we are prone to injury. So the key is getting that balance back. We can strengthen the front of our neck muscles to bring our posture back, and then stretch the tight ones out. Then we're setting up for long-term success and getting our health back and preventing further money down the road of getting astronomical costs. So one thing I want to do is show you real quick the two very effective stretches. And some of you, if you come in with neck pain, I typically do this with my patients at the table, and so this is also a key you can do at home. So one thing I'll demonstrate first on my left side of my neck. So what you want to do is take your left hand and sit on it right here, and then we'll take our opposite hand, and what you want to do is just pull straight laterally to the side like this. Don't go at an angle, but if we can pull here and then just hold this for about 7 seconds, and then what you want to do is then push your head back to the left side of your shoulder. And so you want to push for about 7 seconds, and do this for about 3 cycles. So then we'll relax, and then we'll further pull and hold for 7, and then we'll push for 7, and then once more pull over for 7, and then we'll push for 7. And so this helps to loosen up all those tight neck muscles on the side of our neck, and then we'll alternate sides, where now we'll sit on our right hand and then pull our head to the left, and we'll repeat that. So that's one very effective stretch to calm everything down on the side of our neck. Now for the upper traps in our upper back, we'll do something very similar. However, this time we're going to go at an angle, at a diagonal. So we'll then push our head down like this, look to our opposite foot, and then we'll push up, and it'll go straight back to that same side of the shoulder that our hand is sitting on. And so right here we'll push back. Same thing, we'll hold for 7 and push for 7, and then down, and then we'll push. And so we'll do that for a cycle of 3, and then we'll alternate sides like so. And so that'll really help stretch all these muscles out. Now the last one to strengthen our deep neck flexors, what we call chin tucks. So I'll turn to the side, and what you want to do is make a double chin. So you'll pull back like this and hold for 7 seconds, and then relax and come back and hold for 7 seconds. Do that for as many as you can throughout the day. I typically like 3 sets of 10, morning, midday, and evening. But the more you incorporate, the more we can get our balance back and decrease our pain and increase our function. So if you have any questions about that, we're always here to help. So also, if you incorporate that with joint manipulation as chiropractic, we can then get the best success and best outcomes. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please, like I said, come in and pick our brain about it. So thank you very much.